Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying to make one of these over there. I don't know how it's going to look yet because I don't know if I have enough cylinder blocks. I don't think I do. And I might have to get, maybe I'll pull some pavers from behind, all the way behind there. So yeah, a few people I think commented on, they were trying to see how I did it. You just really take cylinder blocks or pavers and you make them into steps, and then however high you want the next step, that's just how you do it. I don't know how to explain it. See, so here, this one is so this one will be 2 pavers high than this one, and then this one again 2 pavers high than this one. And then there's just 1 paver on the ground down there like that. So that's just how it is. You just start to build it however tall you want. And this can be however big you want it to be. I've seen some on Instagram. They're like 6 steps, but obviously you need more pavers. So yeah, and then I actually like the look of the wood in the back, but I don't have enough. I don't have enough for that. That just happens to be like an extra piece that I had. And I covered it, so kind of like making a wall so that your smaller plants won't tip over. So yeah, this won't be like that. Eventually I hope to maybe if I get more wood to maybe do that. I don't know. If I probably would have had this cut into 4s, I probably would have had enough. No, I wouldn't. I would just have like 1 extra piece. But anyways, I'm gonna start moving that stuff and then seeing how I'm gonna set it up. Okay guys, this is what I came up with. It's not perfect, it could be better. Like I can cut it for all the sides to be even, but I didn't. I had those top ones cut at 5 feet, and then I had another piece that was 4 feet. It's either 4 feet or 3.5, I'm not sure. So what I did is I cut the bottom one. And the bottom one had a piece that was broken anyway. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I like it. So I think it's gonna look super cute with some new plants that I put together, arrangements that I need to be getting to before the rainy season comes. I need to get that done. So yeah, I think it's gonna look super cute. I like this one here. I brought it over here. I think it would just look really nice there. And yeah. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to keep an eye out for my community posts, because that's where I'll be posting winners for the succulent leaves. As soon as I'm done recording this, I'm going to choose the winner for the last video I uploaded. So I'll be doing that. I will also comment down below and let the person know, whoever wins. Okay guys, so just keep an eye out for that. Have a blessed day guys. Bye.